Looking for the best camping tables? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camping tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, CampLand Outdoor Folding Table. Comprehensive table composed of aluminium pipes and engineered wood for weatherproof durability. Includes 2 individual compartments on the bottom where campers can store a variety of dining utensils, tools, or other camping accessories. Compartments zip up for further security in harsh weather conditions. Lightweight structure allows users to transport it with ease. Users can take advantage of the multiple cartons, wide surface, and durable legs of this model for large dinners. Height is shorter than some users expected. At number 2. Trekology Portable Camping Side Table. Table comes with an ergonomic set of legs designed to hold up heavier items. Aluminium top prevents damages from UV rays and water, making for simple maintenance and cleaning. Available in brown or blue. No tools required for assembly, simply unfold the table to start using. This is a simple yet sturdy table that requires no tools in order to support drinks, food, or other objects when fully assembled. Must be on a flat surface or it starts to slip. At number 1. Portal Utility Camping Folding Table. Fully joined dining table can be purposed for a variety of uses, from a family dining area to tool assembly. Adjust individual telescopic legs to fit rocky surfaces or fold them for straightforward transportation. Mesh pocket is built into the bottom for additional storage. Package includes a carrying bag for ease of convenience. With multiple options to customize and store items, this picnic table is an excellent addition to any camping experience. Legs don't have a wide range of adjustment. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.